Hey y'all, hey, Mint here, and today we are doing an unbagging or a reveal of my Medusa's makeup subscription for March 2021. But before we get started, a few things to go over. I am wearing the K-Boss Perfecting Potion, which I recently got in a subscription, except I'm wearing the one that I already had open. And I also am wearing the Elite Cosmetics lip color in the color Koi, which also came, I think, in the Petite Four box or something. So just so you guys know, that's what I'm wearing, along with some other various things, but I wanted to let you guys know that I'm wearing these. I did mention in the video that since I already had this, I knew I liked this, and I still like it. And I have to say, this is very comfortable, very creamy, and without being like slick or super emollient, it is a nice lip color, so I'm liking that too. I'm also wearing my Farm Rio shirt that I got on Poshmark. You might recognize it from my Poshmark video. I am planning on doing a selling on Poshmark as a hobbyist type video in the coming weeks, so keep an eye out for that. And let's get started with Medusa's makeup. So this is a makeup subscription. It is primarily Medusa's makeup actual brand products, and sometimes they include other things in here as well. Sometimes there's a beauty or beauty adjacent type item, skincare, something like that. I believe it's $18.95 per month if you do the monthly subscription, and I love how early in the month it comes. I don't know if I've mentioned that before, but this always arrives in the first or slightly after the first week of the month, and I love that. I hate waiting all month for my box to come. It is like anticipation torture. So one of the things I really like about this one. So let's go ahead and open her up. I did actually kind of peek at these items ahead of time, but let's go ahead and check it out. So there's always a million flyers in here. So this is a flyer for free shipping. Here's the code if you're interested. You know, if my camera ever wanted to focus, never does. So ship for free. And then there's also a code for a free lipstick with a purchase of $30 or more. If you are interested in that, go ahead and use that code, Lippy. And then we have the card that goes with the box. It looks like the theme is Aloha. 5 premium products valued at $54.99. So let's get started. This is the bonus product, and I want to show you this first because we've already seen this twice. It is from Plant Fusion, and it is the Collagen Beauty Clear Skin Hydrator Complete Plant Peptides. This is the citrus flavor. I've got the citrus flavor downstairs that I haven't used yet because I've just been doing protein shakes with my chocolate protein recently. I haven't really been using vanilla or doing fruity ones, so I haven't used it yet. But I've gotten this in a different flavor before too, and I'm kind of annoyed. Why is Plant Fusion hitting up literally every vegan subscription and sending this? Like, I get that they want to promote and get out to as many people as possible, but I cannot be the only person that subscribes to all the beauty subscriptions, the vegan-based ones. I can't be the only one. Even though I know there aren't a ton of people filming them, I cannot be the only person that gets all these boxes. So like now I have a million of these. Well, that's ridiculous. I have 3. I don't have a million. But like, it's just annoying to continuously get the same product over and over again. So I don't know. I know it's a food thing, you use it once and it's done, but it's just something I wanted to point out. It's sort of irritating that Plant Fusion has partnered with like literally 3 different companies that I purchase from now. Like, chill. Maybe space it out a little more, or send every one of them a different flavor or something like that. I'm just a little irritated by that. But anyway, they are sending out assorted flavors, so you may not get the citrus flavor, you might get a different one, and it is a $4.99 value. So I mean, I cannot whine because it is the bonus product, but I'm going to whine because, come on, I've seen this thing 3 times now. Let's chill on that. Now to get to the actual products, let me open them up. I did take the plastic off of all of these so we aren't struggling with that during the video. So the first is a, what is it? A baked eyeshadow in the color Just a Girl, and is a $14 value. Here's the packaging. Their baked eyeshadows come in. You get clear lid, pink bottom, and it is domed like most baked eyeshadows or baked products are. So let me go ahead and swatch this for you. So Just a Girl is a frosty white-ish color or frosty light pink. I can't tell if the color itself is white or light pink, but the pink, there is a pink shimmer, pink chrome to it. So I don't know if you'll be able to really get that full effect on camera, but it is really pretty. I'm gonna have to try this out to see if it's something that I can foresee myself using going forward, but it is a gorgeous product and the color is beautiful. And for it being so shimmery, there doesn't seem to be a ton of fallout, which is really nice. The next product we have is the Medusa's Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Whip. This is a $14 value. So here's the box it comes in. And here is the product itself. It looks like it's going to be a really nice neutral tone, medium nude. So let's go ahead and give that a swatch. Oh yeah, that is pretty. I am pretty excited about this product. This looks like it's going to be right up my alley, the type of thing I would wear. So here is the swatch. Let's get the camera to focus, and it's not. There we go. So it is a very brown based, like a lip tone, like a natural lip tone kind of color if you're like a medium skin tone. It is really beautiful. You're not seeing on camera just how pink based it is. There's a good deal of pink in there too, but it is really pretty, and I could definitely see myself wearing that color a lot. It's really pretty. How many times I'm going to say it's really pretty? You get the point. Next item is from Lovebird. Yes, it's misprinted on the card. It has a B in the middle of it instead of, it's L-O-B-V-E for some reason on the card instead of L-O-V-E. Y'all don't care, but I'm just letting you know. That's why I hesitated. Anyway, from Lovebird, it is the Vegan Lip Balm in the color Pout, which is an $8 value. And so here's what the product looks like. I think Lovebird they've partnered with before. And it kind of smells chocolatey. That smells really nice. So let's give that a swatch. I'm not imagining it'll be too much color because it's a lip balm, but there is a little bit of color there, kind of like a beigey, like a brick kind of color. So that's pretty cool. That would be really nice to keep by my work computer over here whenever I have a Zoom call or something. Just throw on a little something, save a little more than just your average lip balm. I think that's really pretty, and I love the smell. I love chocolatey smelling things. Normally I don't care for things that are scented, but this is subtle, and I imagine the scent is going to fade pretty quickly once it's applied to your lips. So I'm not that terribly worried about it, but this I'm excited about. Last item from Medusa's Makeup, it is their liquid eyeshadow in the color Sophia for $14. And here is what that looks like. Got fun packaging. Their packaging is always really cute while at the same time not being overboard. So here is the color of the eyeshadow. It is a bright ass Smurf blue. Let's go ahead and swatch that. It looks like there's going to be a little bit of metallic sheen to it, although it's hard to tell. I'm going to kind of layer it up more than you would probably layer it on your eye, just so you can really see the color. There you go. That is some electric blue right there. really, really pretty, but also I don't know if I'm bold enough for that. I will give it a try for the sake of giving it a try and showing you guys in a future video, but whew, that is bold. And it's very liquidy. It still has not dried down, although like I said, I did pile it up, but that is really pretty. It does look like it's gonna have a slight like matte metallic vibe to it. Really cool. So we got some really fun stuff this month. That is a fun color to choose going into spring. I just wish that the world was back to normal already. I mean, not back to normal, because going back to exactly where we were, not ideal, because there were lots of things wrong. There's still lots of things wrong, but I just wish we could go out and do things. That'd be a fun color to wear to a music festival or a rave. So we were supposed to go to Riot Fest last September in Chicago, and obviously that got canceled. So I'm hoping things can get back to the way they were so we can go to Riot Fest this year. We did not get a refund on our tickets. We ended up keeping our tickets, and they carry over into the new year. And so I really, really want to go and see My Chemical Romance, but we'll have to see how that shakes out. But anyway, that would be a fun one to wear to a music festival. So that is everything that came in this month's Medusa's makeup box. I think this was a really good box. This lip balm, really pretty. I love the minimal amount of color, the little pop. This matte lipstick is such a beautiful color, and I honestly think this color would probably look really pretty on almost anyone. The eyeshadow is super frosty and pretty. I think that this is going to be a fun one. I think you could honestly use that as a highlighter too. And then this eyeshadow, while maybe not something I'm going to end up keeping in the long term, I think I am going to eventually end up giving this to my friend who enjoys more adventurous makeup. I think it's still a super fun color and really exciting. So that was a killer Medusa's makeup subscription. March was awesome. So, and the fun thing about Medusa's makeup is that if you order the subscription anytime this month, you're gonna get this March bag. You will get all these products too. So it's not like the kind of thing where, like, if you sign up on the 16th of the month, you aren't gonna end up getting a box until they send you the April box. If you sign up on March 16th, they're gonna send you the March box, which is really cool because you can actually watch ahead of time to see what the products are gonna be on YouTube, or maybe there's an Instagrammer or something you enjoy who posts, and you can just go ahead and get the one you want, which I like that aspect too. I don't know if I've ever explained that one here. I'm really bad at explaining how the subscriptions always work, but I just really liked this one. This was fun. These are fun colors. I'm really jazzed about this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will link to everything I'm wearing or something similar if I can find it down below. And that's everything. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.